Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to preserve this Amla, that is also known as Nellikai or Indian gooseberry, as a Murabba. Enjoy the amazing benefit of Amla with this tasty recipe. Here I have taken half kg of Indian gooseberry or Amla, fresh good quality ones. Wash it thoroughly and wipe it well with a cloth and allow it to dry. Now we will have to steam these amlas. When the water starts boiling, place the steamer tray in it and we will place these amlas. Cover it and allow it to steam over a medium flame for about 10 minutes. It's about 8 minutes now. Let's check the amla. See, it has become slightly soft. This is enough. Don't make it too soft because again it has to soak in the syrup. Now we'll switch it off. Now remove the steamed amlas and allow them to cool a little bit, come down to room temperature. It has just started cracking up. That much is enough. We took half kg of amla, so equal quantity half kg of jaggery. Take it in a heavy kadai, add very little water and allow the jaggery to melt. Wait for the jaggery to dissolve, then filter it out to remove any impurities. Wash this and bring it back. Now pour this filtered syrup back into the kadai. Add a little bit of pink salt or black salt to the syrup. Keep the flame low. This is half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. This is cinnamon powder. If you have, you can add or just add a piece of cinnamon, or if you want to avoid it totally also, that's also fine. This is black pepper, coarsely ground. I am just adding about 1 teaspoon. Mix everything very well. Finally, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now you can see it is starting to boil again. At this stage, we will add our steamed amlas to it. Let it all boil together till the syrup thickens a bit. See, it has been boiling for about 6 to 7 minutes now on a low flame. You can see how it is frothing now, and the syrup has also thickened, and you can see a kind of shiny glaze to the amlas. So at this stage, we will switch it off and allow it to cool well to room temperature. See, the Murabba has cooled down very well now. Now we can transfer it into a clean dry glass jar and store it. Store it in a clean dry glass jar and you can use it for many months. Since we have steamed the amlas, it is ready to eat. You can enjoy it right away. But if you allow it to, wait for 2 days so that it absorbs the sweetness from the jaggery and the tartness and sourness from the amla, all with the jaggery get mixed together, the taste will be even better. You can enjoy it for a long time, and all of us know the wonderful benefits of this Indian gooseberry or amla. It helps to control your cholesterol levels, increases your hemoglobin, very good for your immunity, high in antioxidants. So you can enjoy amla every day for a good and healthy life. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.